Hi, we're testing this 1976 Fender Stratocaster for sales purposes. We want to show that the pickups are working as listed. The volume switch works. Okay, the switch. Your tone knobs, we're not musicians or guitar players, but it does sound like these are working. But as we listed, we weren't sure, so working or not, it's as is. On the tone switches, your tuners all work. I just tightened all the strings. I can go through each one. And then your last tuner, there's no string, so I can turn it for you so you can see it move. As it goes around, you pick that up. Okay. So I believe that's it. Pickups, switch, volume switch, volume knob.
Today is 3/7/18.